Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Joel back with you for some Tech-tober goodness. Guys, you know me that I have loved my LG V20 for 2 years now, but it is time for an upgrade. You heard it right, we are jumping in to the Pixel 3 XL in this beautiful not pink color. We're going to jump into a quick unboxing and look at exactly what you get in the box and maybe some first impressions here as I open and hold the device. Well, here we go. Here is the Google Pixel 3 XL. Looking here, we're excited to jump in. The nice thing is that they have these little pull tabs. Boom. And boom. Can pop those off. Slide this guy out. There it is. There is the Pixel 3 XL in all its glory. We're gonna set this aside just for a second, the notch goodness. See what else comes in this box. We have Squirtle and Senor Blue from Jurassic World in here, and Pikachu helping us out. So we have a nice little box here, SIM ejector tool, and lots of things. There's the Google Team Pixel stickers there, which is awesome. And your SIM ejector tool in there. Here's what they're pretty excited about, these USB-C earphones. That's actually pretty nice. Those feel pretty nice. I mean, they're a pretty similar feeling to AirPods, but you know, we won't say anything to that. You know, the normal Apple Buds, but they have that rope feature that will fit in your ear better, supposedly. And a USB-C adapter, obviously. We'll put those to the side. Your USB-C to USB-C there. We have your dongle included in the box. Thank you, Google, because we still want our headphones. We still do. But this one's included in the box, unlike some manufacturers. And a transfer tool in case you wanted to transfer over those contacts information from other phones. All right, moving right along. Here is the fast charging brick. I love it. It's a little bit fatter than maybe say the Apple one, but it is indeed the fastest charging you can get on this phone, which is awesome. So there we have it. Google Pixel 3 XL. Here we got it. You guys ready for this? You ready? Get the screen. You guys, little technology ASMR. Well, there you have it. There's the Google Pixel 3 XL. This is the not pink color. You have that nice pink sand. We're not really sure what to call it, so it's not pink. That beautiful orange, vibrant orange button accent. And it just feels great. So here, right alongside my V20, and as you can see, it fits right about the same size as the V20. So that's a good indicator there. And when I was looking at cases, it's very similar in size to my V20. So I'm gonna be looking forward to checking that out, seeing what kind of action we can get into with this device. And I look forward to putting this through the paces. Hello, Google, showing off that sweet, sweet notch. We'll be jumping into this. This is feeling really great in the hand, and I look forward to putting out a lot more content with this device for you guys in the future. So why did I make the switch from the LG V20 to the Google Pixel 3 XL? I'll tell you, it's a couple reasons. Now, number one is the software. With the LG V20, I've been noticing some hitching going on. Now that's just from the overall time of 2 years, obviously, but LG's software, we just got 8.0 like a couple months ago when other people have had it for so long now, and 9.0 is out. And so for me, I always want to be on the front edge of things and get the most out of my phone. It's just not there with LG right now. Number two, some of the hardware. I love front-facing speakers. I had the Nexus 6
Back in the day, I absolutely loved the front-facing speakers. I loved the pure Android aspect of it, and I missed that when I jumped to the LG V20. And with that hardware, you get the beautiful camera. Now, the Pixel 3 is to be determined, but seemingly the best camera of 2018. And Google's software and imaging processing is just crazy good. So I'm looking forward to taking that through the paces and showing you all exactly what this camera can do. I'm very deep into Google services with my mail and my storage options and all kinds of things. And so it just makes a lot of sense for me to use the premier Android phone from Google. Be sure to keep up with the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe because we have some cases, some screen protectors, some tempered glass to check out, to look out what is going to be your best protection options on the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Got a little look at the Pixel 3 XL. Tons of more content on the camera, the overall usage, maybe some comparisons on other phones if you'd like. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see from these Google Pixel videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay classy.